Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shani and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while and I hope everyone is staying safe in quarantine. So I wanted to show you guys how I got this look. I did this makeup look on my beautiful friend Shayla and it's more of a mauve eyeshadow look. So if you want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with a clean face and I'm going to go in with MAC Fix Plus and spray this all over her face to prep the skin. Then I'm going in with MAC Strobe Cream. I love using this on my brides because it gives the face such a beautiful glow and it's really great for dry skin. So I'll usually use the Strobe Cream on its own or I'll mix it in with a moisturizer, and as you can see, ooh girl, her skin is glowing. I love that. Now I'm going in with MAC Studio Finish Concealer and I'm using this as a base over her eyebrows so that way when I fill in her eyebrows there's something to stick to. Now I'm just going to go in with a spoolie and brush out her eyebrows, making sure all the hairs are going in one direction. And then I'm going in with my Anastasia Pro Brow Palette and I'm using the color medium brown to fill in her eyebrows. So I usually use the lighter color on the beginning of the brows and then the darker color more towards the end of the brows. And I'm just filling in any gaps she has. And I usually like to make the beginning of the brow more of an ombre, so like a fade, you know, so from light to dark. Now I'm going back in with that MAC Studio Finish Concealer and carving out the eyebrow. And I love doing this because it makes the eyebrows look super clean. And I do this to the top and the bottom of the eyebrow. Oh, I'm also bringing the color downwards and blending it. So now you can see I'm going on top and carving it out. And then I like to go around and blend it out. And now I'm going in with MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and I'm using this to prep the eyes for the eyeshadow. So I'm applying the product and then I'm going to go in with a bigger brush and just blend it out. This is key to getting your eyeshadows to stick to your eyes. And now I'm going in with Huda Beauty New Nude Eyeshadow Palette. I've been loving this palette because I love the color scheme. It's like mauves, purples, burgundies, you know. And I'm taking that bottom color and I'm blending it into the crease and bringing it upward towards the eyebrow. And I'll do this back and forth motions like a windshield wiper. And like I said, I blend it up towards the crease so it's nice and buffed. Now I'm going in with that light color and applying it right under the brow bone. So this gives the eyebrow more of a lift and kind of highlights it. And now I'm going in with this pinky mauve color and I'm using a crease brush and I'm applying this into the corner of the eyes, blending it upward. And this is really going to start to define the crease. And I'm starting to build up the color little by little and blending it out. As you can see, she has beautiful eyes. I'm loving the eyeshadow already. Then I'm going back in with a fluffy brush and I'm going to blend it out, bringing it upward so that it transitions nicely into the first color. And now I'm going to go into this deeper, what is it, like a purplish burgundy color. And I'm using that with the same brush and blending it into the corner of the eyes again. And this is going to really deepen it up some more. And the same thing, I'm going to place the color and blend upwards. Now I'm taking this eyeshadow trio. It's called Kaja Rosewater, I believe. And then I'm spraying it with some Fix Plus so that's nice and wet. And it sticks onto the eyes way better. And I'm applying the color in a downward motion, blending it out. As you can see, it makes the color super pigmented when you get the eyeshadow wet. I'm going back into the trio with the champagne color, I believe, and spraying it with some Fix Plus. And I'm applying this to the inner portion of the lid and blending it into the rosy color. Now I'm going into this eyeshadow palette that I made. It's MAC Embark Eyeshadow, and I'm using this to line her lash line. And I'm creating a smoky eyeliner effect. So I'm going to apply it first, and then I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to start blending it out, and I'm bringing it outwards. Now I'm going to go back into my crease brush, and I'm using this to blend out the liner so that it's going to look nice and smoky and blend it out. I don't know why, but I'm obsessed with smoky liners, and I do this kind of liner on all my clients. Now I'm going in with a makeup wipe, and I'm using this to clean up any eyeshadow that fell, and I'm going to use it to make a sharp line. Now going in with lashes, I am going to apply some duo glue and now place it on top of her lash extensions that I did. Don't recommend doing this, okay, but I was gonna give her a full set like the next day. Then I'm going back in with that Embark eyeshadow and then blending it on top of the lash line so that you don't see the lash glue. And I'm going in with this iconic London highlighter, and I'm using it on the cheeks and then blending it out into her skin. This is going to make the foundation look super glowy. Usually on brides, I like them to look very glowy on their wedding day. Well, only if they want to, but I like it when my brides look really glowy. Now going in with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I'm applying this all over her skin in dots. I don't know why I decided to do this. I did it for fun, I guess, the dots. And I love this foundation for dry skin or normal skin. It gives the skin such a beautiful, healthy glow. And the coverage is maybe medium, but you can also build it up to full coverage. And I'm using a beauty blender to blend it out. I always use my beauty blenders damp. It helps the foundation blend out much easier. If you use the beauty blender dry, I noticed that it just kind of clumps up more, the foundation. Now I'm going in with Nars Natural Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I'm using a really light color to highlight the forehead a little bit, down the bridge of her nose, under the eyes, also on her chin and her cupid's bow. Now I'm going into this iconic London contour palette, and I'm using the contour color, and I'm going to contour on her cheekbones, around her forehead, down the sides of her nose, and her jawline just a little bit. So now I'm going to start blending out the concealer first. So I'm blending out the nose first, and then I'm going to blend out the forehead, and then I'm using the back of the beauty blender to push it into the foundation and upwards. And then I'm also going to blend under the eyes, and I try to keep the concealer in the spot that I placed it so it doesn't get muddy. So you don't want to blend the concealer into the contour, so that's how it would get muddy. And then I'm going to take a bigger brush and I'm going to start blending out the contour on the nose, upwards and down. And then I'm going to blend out the forehead and push the contour into the hairline. That way it doesn't look like a mask. And then I'm using the back of my beauty blender to blend the concealer and the contour together. And I'm going to blend out the contour on the cheekbones. Make sure you keep the contour in the same spot and blend upwards, because if you bring the contour too low, it's going to look super droopy, and you don't want that. And once again, I'm using my beauty blender to blend the concealer and the contour together. Then I'm going in with my Mer The Powder, and I'm using this to bake and set the concealed areas. I love this powder so much. I use it on myself like every single day. If you use your beauty blender damp with the powder, it really helps push the powder into the skin and helps it set. And then I'm also going to place a little bit right under the contour to sharpen it up. Now I'm going in with MAC Mineralize Skin Finish Natural Powder in medium golden. I'm using this to set the rest of the skin and also to dust away the powder that I placed on the under eyes and the nose and forehead. For blush, I'm going in with this Charlotte Tilbury blush. I'll mention the name down below, and I'm using this on the apples of the cheeks and blending it upward back into the hairline. Cute! And then same thing on the other side, right on the apple of the cheeks and blending it back. Now I'm going in with this highlighter from Pixi. I'll also place the name down below, and I'm using this right on the cheekbones, I believe. What is this called? The tops of the cheekbones. And then a little bit on the nose. And right on the Cupid's bow. And now I'm placing the highlight right on the inner corners of the eyes. This really brightens up the inner corner and makes the eyes look a lot open and wider. Going back into that burgundy mauve color, I'm placing this right on the lash line on the bottom. And I'm going to smoke it out with another color that I used in the crease. And then I'm taking a clean brush and blending that out. Now I'm going in with this Makeup Forever brown eyeliner, and I'm using this right in the waterline on the bottom. For lips, I'm going in with MAC Whirl Lip Pencil. This is one of my favorite lip liners. I love this color. It's a whirl color. I mean, this is a mauve color. What am I saying? This is a mauve color. And then I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Pure Hollywood right in the middle, and this is going to create a ombre effect. And I'm using a lip wand to apply the color. You never want to use it straight from the tube, especially on a client. That is gross if you do. And I'm taking a lip brush and blending that out. And now I'm going back in with MAC Whirl Lip Pencil and using this to line the lips one more time. This helps blend the lip pencil with the liquid lipstick. And for gloss, I'm going in with this KKW lip gloss in rose gold and placing this right on the center of the lips. Gloss is back in, guys. Gloss is back. And for setting spray, I'm going to be using the Morphe setting spray, and I love this one because it's a very fine continuous spray and it helps the makeup last all day long. And then I'm going in with this Patrick Ta Body Glow, and I'm spraying this all over her décolleté and then blending it out. And I love doing this for my brides. It helps them look super glowy on their wedding day. Super cute. And then I'm just going to fan her so that everything dries and sets in place. And this is the completed look. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. And let me know what kind of videos you want to see next. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.